Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get clay in Hytale, including white clay, and then how to dye it into the different colors for clean building blocks and decorations. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So clay is one of the most useful early building materials in Hytale because you can turn it into the bricks, walls, and colored blocks. In Hytale, the regular clay blocks are crafted and not mined like Minecraft. So first, you need to craft a tier 1 furniture workbench, which is easy to unlock early. So once you have the red sandstone, you need to take it back to the furniture workbench and then you need to craft it into the clay blocks. So this is the fastest way to mass produce regular clay for building. Now white clay is natural block, so you can actually find and mine. So on the map you just have to look for some of the best spots like the desert areas or river banks or even in the underground caves. So here let's say you have found underground cave, so you need to go into the cave and you need to look for the light tan and grayish blocks mixed around dirts. So you need to simply start mining it and stack up as much as possible because it is super valuable early game. Now if you want stronger building blocks, you need the hardened clay. So you can craft a furnace using the cobblestone, and then you can add fuel and then you can place the clay in that top slot. So it's going to melt one clay block into one hardened clay block, and then you can just simply start dyeing it. You need to go to the crafting table and place one die into the center. Then you need to surround it with 8 hardened clay blocks. So that is going to give you 8 stained clay blocks in that dye color. And yes, all the dye colors work. So you can make it red, blue, green, whatever matches your build. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.